To redeem DramaBox gift codes, start by downloading and installing the DramaBox app from either the Play Store or App Store. Once installed, open the app and tap on the DramaBox option. Log into your account by selecting the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then choose the Login option. You can sign in using either your Facebook or Google account. Once logged in, navigate to the GIFs section. Here, you'll find the option to enter your gift code. Input the code and tap the Redeem button to complete the process. Please note that gift codes can only be used to redeem free rewards. They cannot be exchanged for coins or memberships. Each code can only be applied once per account, has a validity period, and is restricted to a limited number of redemptions. Once the redemption limit is reached or the validity period expires, the code can no longer be used. Follow these steps to successfully redeem your code.